Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahziera Binti Nordin. My ID number F19A0270. Today, I'm going to present my industrial training that has been done from March to July 2023 at Klinik Haiwan dan Surgery Kota Tinggi. This is a little bit information about the industry. Klinik Haiwan and Surgery Kota Tinggi is an organization that carries out medical activities dedicated to pets. The main animals that are the target market for this organization is cat and dog. Klinik Haiwan and Surgery Kota Tinggi prioritize treatment and surgery for silent animals. Klinik Haiwan and Surgery Kota Tinggi was established in 2019, which is the exact date for the establishment is 21 May 2021. Klinik Haiwan and Surgery Kota Tinggi were located at Jalan Niaga 15, Kota Tinggi, Johor. The establishment of the organization was developed by Dr. Afiq Sazwan. Dr. Afiq Sazwan were alumni of veterinary as student back in 2011 of University Malaysia Kelantan Kota Baru campus. This is the organization chart of the company, led by Dr. Afiq Sazwan as the main holder of the organization and also Dr. Anriza as a second holder of the organization. They have three staff under the organization, which is Nur Atikah, Rosdiana Ajuni, and Putri Nur Ashura as a veterinary assistant. This is a summary of industrial training activities. During the 16 weeks of the industrial training, a variety of job scope has been given by Klinik Haiwan and Surgery Kota Tinggi to me. The most frequent jobs are assisting doctor for consultation and preparing medication for animals. Throughout the 16 week of the industrial training at Klinik Haiwan and Surgery Kota Tinggi, in the first month, it's more about learning the computer system to register customer. In addition, the system also stores patient data. The details of the medicine supplies are also entered into the system. Mastery of the system is very important to make it easier for the clinic to access data and store data. Next, in the second month, assisting the doctor in the consultation room and prepare medicine required dose according to the formula. The formula has been set according to the standard operating procedure SOP in veterinary medication. Next is prepare the surgical equipment before the doctor perform the surgery. Identifying the surgery before the operation begins is a mandatory. Tools should be properly sterilized so that no germs spread on the tools. This is to prevent a spread of germ during the operation. This is because it will cause an unwanted infection. Chapter 3, Technical Report. For technical report, there are many tasks that are carried out during training, but there are the three main tasks that are often carried out throughout being in this industry. This job is to assist the doctor in consultation room, prepare medicine, and assist doctor during operation. Task 1. Assisted doctor in consultation room. Assisted in the consultation room is providing the doctor needs to provide treatments to the animals. Among them are first taking blood reading. Taking blood reading using count blood cell machine, which is CBC machine, and the reading will show uh, all the reading, and the doctor will analyze the result of the blood reading, and then doctor will diagnose the disease of the animals is suffering from. Second one is preparing shrink with the correct dose of medicine. Prepare the correct injection drug by calculating a specific formula for each injection with the correct dose based on the animal's body weight. And then the third one, weighing animals. This is for medication injection use. And then the last one, delivering the medicine required by the doctor. Task 2, prepare medication. The preparation of medicine requires the dose to be mixed according to the formula that has been set according to the standard operating procedure (SOP) in veterinary medication. Providing medicine with the right dose is mandatory to prevent the animals from getting an overdose or underdosing. This is because it will cause the animal get sick worse or there will be no change in the health. Lastly, task 3. Task 3 is prepare surgical equipment. First, prepare the surgical equipment before the doctor perform the surgery. Identifying the surgery before the operation begin is mandatory. And third one is tools should be properly sterilized so that no germ will spread on the tools. For the conclusion in the industrial training, okay, this is the conclusion of my industrial training program, which I have updated in my LinkedIn program. So the profiles, LinkedIn profiles, so I can use it as an additional skill in the future. The suggestion of the industry training, which is in 5.1 suggestion for industrial training program. In my opinion, it should increase the training time so that more experience and knowledge can be obtained. Beside the beside that, sharpening skill before facing a real job. And then suggestion for organization is provide the same job as the staff so that internship student can feel the real work atmosphere. And then for suggestion for myself, I suggested that should be more often to ask question about the new things learned and review each new thing have learned. Okay, next, this is a snip that I shared during my time at UMK industry and for my junior. So this is a collection from my experience while in UMK. All the memory will always be missed and hope to be repeated again. So next is continuous experience and knowledge that is very, very valuable in the industry that is not available anywhere else. I will use all the knowledge gained as a skill in the future. And then lastly, the experience of a very beautiful friendship while being in while being at UMK is a reinforcement throughout the studying here. Friend who always help and give me joy when I am a student. A very wonderful and unforgettable memory that I collect while in UMK. Lastly, the end of my presentation, I would like to thank you and give a big thanks to UMK for giving me an industrial training program that helped me a lot before entering the real world of work. And also thank you to the industry, Klinik Haiwan and Surgery Kota Tinggi for the experience and guidance. This is from me. I would like to end my presentation today. Thank you for being part of my life as a UMK student.